Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best dog ramps for car that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Pet Gear Lite Bifold Ramp. The surface has pressure-activated grip such that the paws of the pets can grip the surface easily. There will be no sliding or tripping, and it is easy to clean. It is foldable and therefore, you can carry in under your seat or trunk. There is also a built-in handle, and the rubber grippers on the bottom of the ramp provide extra stability. It is suitable for a height of 20 inches. There are many different types of ramps. The most common designs are bifold, trifold and freestanding. Ramps can also have different surface materials such as grip tape with or without reflective markings or SuperTrax. SuperTrax is being utilized in the pet industry as a removable mat that can be used on ramps and stairs where traction is a concern. One of the most important features of SuperTrax is that it allows for pressure-activated gripping, which means the more pressure the pet puts on the mat, the stronger the grip achieved. At number 4. PetSTEP Original Folding Pet Ramp. The PetSTEP ramp has a soft non-slip ridged rubber surface not found on other ramps. It's soft on paws and provides superior wet or dry traction. The ramp opens and closes with ease. The advanced plastic and fiberglass material is strong. It's only 18.5 pounds and has cut-out handles for ease of transport. The heavy-duty rubber grips at each end keep the ramp in place during use. Easily washable with soap and water. No sandpaper to irritate paws or carpeting to trap moisture. This dig ramp for the cars comes with the rubberized surface with soft and non-slip material. It offers better traction whether the condition is dry or wet. The ramp is tailor-made for universal use, which means you can use it for any car and edges. You can fold it in half, and you can store it easily. There are handles available on both sides for easy carry, and it opens and closes instantly. It is made up of composite plastic which supports up to 500 pounds. At number 3. Pet Gear Trifold Ramp. This is a compact ramp which you can fold thrice for space-saving storage and transport. The ramp is of the best quality, and there are raised rails on both sides to prevent slipping on the sides. The surface is skid-resistant, and it supports up to 200 pounds. The pets can have sure footing thanks to its textured surface which provides greater traction. The folding and opening are super quick and convenient. It is definitely one of the best dog ramps to opt for. There are many different types of ramps. The most common designs are bifold, trifold and freestanding. Ramps can also have different surface materials such as grip tape with or without reflective markings or carpet. At number 2. Pet Gear Freestand Ding Ramp. This product features under Amazon's choice for the dog ramp category. It can support up to 200 pounds of weight. Just like most other ramps from the brand, this one too has pressure-activated grips so that your pet can go up and come down smoothly. The surface is soft for comfort and for preventing slippage. The ramp has freestanding design and therefore, you do not have to rest it against your vehicle. It is due to the same reason that it applies to all cars. The product is also highly portable and very compact in size. The raised edges prevent falling from the sides. Finally at number 1. Solvit Ultralite Bifold Pet Ramp. This is undoubted the best and the safest dog ramp for your dog. It has universal fitting, and it is lightweight and highly durable. The ramp has bifold structure, and it weighs only 10 pounds. It can support up to 150 pounds, and the design is space-saving. Therefore, you can store it in minimal space, and the surface has non-slip texture to prevent slipping. Not just that, the side rails are quite high to prevent the dogs from slipping from the edges. As a matter of fact, it is suitable for dogs with mobility issues. The folding dog ramp allows pets to safely get up and down with less stress on their joints and yours. The folding dog ramp is the most economical model and the lightest full-size ramp on the market. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.